Assalamualaikum. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, teacher.
Okay, before we start our class, we will take a doa first, okay?
Okay. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma aftah alaina hikmataka wanshur alaina min hazaini rahmatika ya arhamar rahimin. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Amin.
Okay, next, who want to dance and sing?
Me.
Okay, guys. Today, we will learn about what is this? This?
Circle.
This?
Triangle.
Oh, clap your hands. Great. Let's our in group. Okay. This is the teaching aid. Remember, we'll take turn to help each other.
Let's go, guys. Let's go.
Don't forget to help each other, okay, children? Okay. Okay, I'm going first. Circle is mine. Triangle is mine. Square too. I'm going first. You just watch me.
But teacher said we should take steps, right? It's more fun that way.
You will mess up. Just let me do it.
I don't think we'll miss it up, Hannah. I already practiced with my sister at home. We can help each other. Can I try the yellow?
No, you doing wrong. No.
This dolphin, maybe we can count first. What if we take each one shape and I take triangle, you take circle, and Aina take square. We do together.
Tony, I know how to play. If you want to play, you play your way. I want you to play.
Hannah, don't be like that. We're just sharing
No.
each other.
No.
We do together.
Tony, I know how to play. If you want to play, you play your way. I want you to play.
Hannah, don't be like that. We're just sharing
No.
each other.
No.
We can help each other, Hannah.
No.
We do this together lah.
No.
Why no? Please don't be like that.
I won.
You
I
cannot
won. It's mine. I see everyone was excited. What happened?
Teacher, Hannah didn't let us try. She took everything. She won this one. We all wanted to help. Yes, teacher.
Hannah, I can see your care about doing the job. But how did it feel when your friends were upset?
I just didn't want us to get wrong.
That's okay. It's a good to do it. But remember, we learn better together. If you make a little mistake,
We'll use the superstar turn system. Whenever someone with a badly help a friend or speak kindly, that get a reward. 3 reward. You win a special reward.
Yay!
Hannah, would you like to start by planning the first shape?
Okay, I will first triangle, and then can go next, and everyone can go next. And I'm so sorry for just now. It's okay, Hannah. Thank you for giving me turn. I will take the square one and pass to the next Izati. Okay. Thank you.
Wow, great teamwork. Okay, children, stand up. Please sit back at your place.
Okay, teacher.
Okay, this time I will give you a reward.
Yay! Thank you, teacher.
What you want?
I want 1, 2, 3.
Thank you, teacher.
Okay, thank you, teacher.
Welcome.
Yay!
Kids, so what did we learn today?
Today we learn about shape. Matching.
Yeah. Exactly answer. Clap your hands.
Yay!
I'm so proud of you today. Let's give ourselves a big clap.
Yay! Tepuk tangan. Tepuk tangan.